thing just happening on repeat over and over and over again.
Quick disclaimer. Trading carries a high level of risk, so anything done is your responsibility. The content on this channel is for educational purposes only and are my perspective and personal opinions.
What's good, my peeps? All I'm going to be doing right now in this video here is just actually giving you a glimpse into how we're going to be doing my markups for this week on the markets. These are what I'm trading: gold, EJ, and GU. And I'm going to just be doing my markups, so enjoy. Yeah, folks, so as you can see, for this week I only gonna be trading GU and gold, based on just what I have here. Of course I can go over any list that I want, but based on what I see here, these are the highest probable trades that I would get into on the higher time frame. I'm obviously waiting on a certain thing to happen, like on the 4 hour here. Hopefully after you just watch this and you'll understand why I'm waiting on the 4 hour to do the same thing like this to happen right here, because once this happens here, that would be the top that I start to watch, and then hopefully there's a pause right here, and once that pause happens, then I can take that high to go up there. But by the time that the 4 hour comes here, breaks that, pauses and comes down, then I'll scale down to like the 1 hour or the 1 minute, and then get in there on the ride up, you know what I mean? Otherwise, if it says watch the 4 hour, that means more than likely I'm looking for this now to probably come down even deeper, and then if it comes down deeper, then I'm waiting on the same thing that I just showed you right here to happen right here for the 4 hour. Simple as that. And that's the same thing for GU as well. So yeah, let's just see how it plays out. I literally just did the same thing, showing my students exactly what I was waiting on for gold on Friday, I think it was. Where are the all gold drawings? No, January 9th forecast. Here it is. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do right now is just hide all of these and actually just say this week's forecast, alright, and just hide all of this for right now, just so I can show you what I did on January 9th forecast. And then this is what I was waiting on, literally Thursday or Friday. So Thursday, and then Friday came up, and then it actually just followed through with exactly what we were looking for, you know what I mean? Because it happens on repeat, everything is the same. See here, we have the breaker structure, came up from here, we were bullish. Once it broke that right here, we were bullish right here, came back down, still bullish of course, but then no, on Thursday, then it was not Friday, I said, okay, now that it's up here, I wouldn't be entering yet. I would want price to come down, come back up, give me that entry, and then I'll enter like that. Lo and behold, look, price came down. This was the high right here that it broke, because if you scale down to like the 1 minute or something like that, then this would be the high. Broke it, gapped down, and see here, that was the entry right here. So reality speaking, on the 1 hour, this would have been your entry, right? And you'd have rode this up to roughly around right here, 2.59, before market opened up on Friday, and then came and stopped you out, break even more than likely. Because on a 1 minute, remember, on a 1 minute we'd have been scaled down in here and been in this, which more than likely would have been something like, you know, a very tighter, something probably even up in here, a very tighter thing, which would have been able to even, of course, get break even in here way before then. And that's just the gist of that, you know what I mean? And this thing just happening on repeat over and over and over again. So again, what I would be waiting on the 1 hour right now is literally came down, broke, came back down. So now, so far, it's in a bearish trend on the 1 hour. So that would be the low. What I want to see is this be broken, this high right here. I'd want to see this high be broken right here. And once it breaks, not to pass this yet, and then just pause right here, gap down a bit, and then I'll take that entry through that high to ride it up. As soon as it does break and pause, I'll scale down to the 1 minute. Scale down to the 1 minute. As soon as it breaks this and pauses, scale down to that 1 minute, and then look for the exact same thing to happen again. The highs being built after the lows have been liquidated, just similarly like this. Bam, bam. And then from here, now you start to look for your trades. Like even on this very example, like I would have been in, see, came up, gap down, bam, that would have been my trade, and more than likely under the low that it created after that. So even this trade here would have run to 1 to 4 before coming back and stopping me break even right here, you know. Yeah, so just before stopping me at break even, that's all it would have been, a break even trade, just on this like example. But I wouldn't be in here because this is not where my higher time frame is telling me that I want to be involved in the market. right? So that would have just been like a random trade, like right in here. Why would I be trading right there, you know? So yeah, it's not probable for me to be fully successful with that, though I can still get good returns. You know what I mean? Let's say I was just bullish all throughout and it came up, my setup came up right here. This was my very first one because I got this high broken right here. Simple, broken right there actually, and then came back down, gapped. And that's all I'm looking for. So that would have done some, I would have still been in this trade actually, but this would have been like a 1 to 3 and max potential so far 3.8, and this is live price right now, as you can obviously see. So yeah, I would be in this, but for what reason? I want the one that is going to do this. I want the one that is probably going to do something like that. That's what I want to be involved in, and this can do it, but that's random. And if you do random stuff, you get random results. We don't want random results. We want proper losses that we can be proud of, and then we want those proper trades that we took that turned out to be losses to, out of probability, turn into proper and big huge wins, because you're sticking to the strategy. You're just doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing over and over on repeat. You're a machine in this market, and you're supposed to just literally rinse and repeat the same process and progress over and over and over again. This thing works for all pairs, all time frames. It doesn't matter what time frame it is. I can go to a random 10-minute chart, and here it is, same thing. Highs being broken, highs being broken, highs being broken, and you're entering in all of these. You know what I mean? You're entering on all of these. Come on again, highs being broken, you're entering on all of these, if your higher time frame makes sense for you. But anyways, join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, why not get some value and learn how to trade, because this is exactly how this thing works. Big up yourself. This is your White Have. Peace.